Tap the Start button to calibrate the watch hands on your watch. This ensures the watch hands tell the correct time. Turn the scale or press the plus and minus icons to align the hour's hand to the 12 o'clock position on the watch. Once you've aligned the hour hand, tap on the next icon. Now repeat the same steps, but for the minute hand. Tap on the Done icon when each hand is correctly positioned. Your watch hands should automatically move to the right time. Tap on the Home icon to view your dashboard.